How to buy mobile airtime on crypto.com app using crypto. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy mobile airtime on crypto.com app. Well, you can simply open up your crypto app, then tap on the pay option that you can see on the screen. Then you should be able to see the airtime option. You want to enter in your mobile number and then enter in the select, and then you want to go ahead and select the funding account amount that you would like to buy, right? Then you want to choose a crypto that you would like to pay with, and you're good to go. So the process is pretty simple, right? All you have to do is open up your application. Then you can go ahead and select the pay option from your screen. Once you do so, you want to head over to the airtime option and then enter in your phone number. Make sure to enter in the correct country code and the phone number. Then tap and continue. Then it'll ask you to select the funding amount. You want to enter in the amount. Then you want to choose a crypto that you like to pay with. Then go ahead through the verification process and you are good to go. So this is how you can buy mobile airtime on crypto.com app using crypto. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.